Come monsoon season, thousands of rakyat suffer from the flash flood. With homes destroyed, displaced families have to survive without shelters and basic necessities for weeks. At Lalamove, we believe in empowering the local communities. In an effort to provide relief to the affected families, Lalamove has been supporting local NGOs and charities in delivering essentials across the peninsula. With the help of our local heroes, Lalamove is always ready to bridge the gap between those who give and those in need. No matter the distance, no matter the weather, we deliver care for you.
Lalamove.